Okay, so this is my first ever recording. Now I am tracking this trade right now, which is not going so well because the way the 1 hour closing came, it's not really nice. So let's go. Let me show you the trades. So I'll tell you why I took the trade, what was the reason for taking the trade in this exact place, and how things are going right now. Yeah, let's start with the 15-minute time frame. So if you see here from yesterday, there was a support level over here. Yesterday, after this huge momentum of from here to here, and by the way, I captured this momentum yesterday. I will show the profits of that in a while. And yeah, so after this huge momentum, it was taking support at this level. Support again. Look at this. Took a support again. Took a support again today morning. But the thing is, they were trying to give a breakdown, and these buyers are still trying to push against the trend. The trend was downwards. You can see clearly. One time selling came, second time selling came, third time selling came. It was stronger, faster, and bigger. So next time you should know that it might not go back to that level. So what they did was let the buyers step in, did not force anything, let the buyers step in, trapped them fully, and then dumped. After that, straight after this dump, did not give chance to the buyers. They even faked the buyers out in this move up. When it went up, the buyers got faked, thinking that market is taking support at the level, because you can see that it did not breach this support of this wick. So after that, they got trapped, and then there was a huge dump over here. That was exactly what I was waiting for, and I knew that it would come. But right now, it looks like market is going for sales instead of buying. So my entry would not be so nice right now. Should see what I should do with the position, because if you see here on the 15-minute time frame, it is taking rejection from this order block, from this zone, which it should not be doing. Let's see how it closes and how the trade goes on, because support becomes resistance. The previous support will become the resistance, because all the buyers who got trapped will start selling as soon as it comes back to the support level. So there is less chances of this trade running. Let me show the entry. This is the entry. It is a pretty good entry because I had just five or six pips away from me, that's all. So it was almost perfect. Yeah, and I'm taking these trades on my funded account, phase one. So yeah, right now the running profit is around 30 pips. I saw a profit of around 80 or something, 80 pips, I guess. Wait, let me see. 60 pips. 60 pips was the highest profit I've seen. That is fine if I lose this trade, because previously I'd taken these two entries which were really bad, and they would have spoiled everything for me, because I took one entry over here which was not nice. I took another entry over here which was again not nice. I understood that the market will dump now. I made a mistake. I was one of the buyers who would have got trapped. I got out quickly. Lucky, I got lucky, that's all. It was luck. So look, let me show yesterday's trades. I made a profit of $300 in total. So if you see, let me go in the 5-minute time frame. This is, yeah, right here. If you see, this is where I took an entry. First entry was I lost $32, and the next one I lost 24, and then market came for liquidity. If you see this, I took an entry somewhere around this region. Yeah, I think on this candle, I guess in the starting of this candle I took an entry there, and then another entry somewhere there, and the second one I placed an SL of $7, which got jumped to 24. So that is my mistake. I didn't check that the SL was not placed, but I had a huge conviction that today is an upside day, because if you see the 4-hour time frame of yesterday, it was pure, beautiful. What do you say? Price action. See this support level took liquidity. This is the liquidity. 1 second. Let me mark it as liquidity. So this was the liquidity, support level, liquidity, up move. So once liquidity is taken, the next time it reaches the support, market will go up. That's major of the game. Major times it is like that. So what I did was I tried to take the entry. That's all. Wait, Friday 30th May. So that's what this level I knew once this was done and this another liquidity for confirmation was done. I knew the market is going up and any entry I find should be taken without any doubt. So that was there, and now that I tried that entry, I couldn't get that was long back on 29th. I didn't get that. So the same thing repeated over here. If you see, if it, this will be better seen on the 1 hour time frame. I'll just draw the support. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if you see this, the same liquidity sweep what happened over here has happened again. Auto block up down, liquidity sweep up down, and then you get a chance, jump in. Do not wait for it, just jump in. I'll show you. 1 hour, yeah, see, 1 hour. I got a chance. I missed this, I missed this, I missed this. I got lucky enough to get this chance. And you sweep the liquidity of these people as well when that chance came. These people who bought over here, all their liquidity was trapped. They got trapped, and then I got my entry there, which was really lucky enough for me. See, I made $204 off of that entry, which I closed at this level. That is around 3,367. So it was really nice. And then yeah, I was planning for a target of $330, but instead I found this beautiful entry on M5. I'll show that as well. Okay, M5 is here, right? So yeah, when I saw that huge movement came from here, and then slowly it started to slow down. So what I did was take my entries. Yeah, took my entry over here again. I knew that it was going to go up. Took a small risk of $15, and then you know the story. It went up 100 pips. So closed at 100 pips, made $310. I was like, why do I need to risk more? Why do I need more greed? So I just closed it fully, happy enough. One of my biggest trades. The $200 was the biggest trade till now. So yeah, that was a crazy day, man. Yesterday was just crazy. Now waiting for this. If it goes above that, it's going to be pure bliss. Along 8 minutes, okay. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this trade to go up. And yeah, please do not chase the markets. I have lost so much money by chasing market. Let me just show that. Look at this. My trading calendar. I'm not able to afford something like Tradezilla or something. So I'm just using Notion right now. So see, I can make money. I know that for sure. I make money. But once in a while, I lose big like this, like $350 on a single day. While I make around 180, 150, around $50, and then again you see, I make 120, I make 175, I make 166, but I lose big $200. I lose, and then I make 140, and then I lose 95. I lose 48. That is 48 is fine. 48 is nominal, around somewhere around 60 to 70 for my lot size is fine. I lose 100 again. I lose 92 again. So this is what slows me down in between when I lose big. I chase the markets. So I always have this on my screen so that I control myself. And if you see this, I made these rules for 30-day challenge. If you can see 1 second, let me just increase the size. Yeah, so if you see 30 trades challenge rule, I made my rules. I mentioned that only 0.1 lot should be used, and I should not forget that it is the main condition. I can use anything below 0.1 lot, that is fine, but not above 0.1 lots, because it's $10,000 account and I want to take things slow, not fast. So look, these are my rules and something like that. Let me here's the size. I don't know if I have OneNote. I do have OneNote. It's opening up. Yeah, let's go to my mind during trades. Let's expand this. Yeah, so let's go full screen. So look at this. This is my trading journal kind of thing on my iPad. I do write in another book. This book, I've failed about quarter of the book already. It's been 3-4 months, I guess, since I started doing that. Now let me show it. I'll change the view to switch background. Yeah, this is way better, way better. So I track all my trades here. I'm June. This is from June, and you can see the past 3 days I've been writing. I do not miss a single day of journaling. If I miss it today, I do tomorrow morning before I start trading the next day. So when second now this is May. I've not skipped any single day. That's how journaling should be done. Journaling is more important than trading itself, and I recommend you guys to journal as well. So yeah, this is all from me, and I do have another account. Let me just my Insta account. Let me just show that. Look at this. I used to journal here before, but I felt writing is much better than typing. That's your choice. I used to journal all my trades. I used to write it down so much. I used to type down every single day, or what all happened on that day, what all trades I took, how much I made, what all mistakes I made. All of them were here. So yeah, this is me, Chetan P. I've been grinding on trading from a lot of time. I've given it all of my. I've given it my best. I've not at all. I was locked in from the past 6 months. From October, I was locked in for trading. So this is my trading journal. I have done so much journaling on this, and this is the reason why I'm here today. If I didn't journal, I wouldn't know how to trade, how to fix my mistakes. See, now this is not going in my favor. I should reduce my this to break even. I should not be playing around. And yeah, that's all. Job's done for that. If I lose, I lose. That's all. Nothing big thing. So I've been tracking all. I used to place 14 trades in a single day, and you should know that coming from 14 trades a single day to 3 or 4 is crazy. Just a second. Yeah, so this so many, and I'll tell you one thing. Let me go to that place. See this? No, this is not the thing. Yeah, this one. This book changed everything for me. This was the game changer. Trust me, if you read this book, it's 100% worth reading this book. Do not mess around with this. It is the best book out there. The best. Go have a read. I've read 5 books this year only because of this book. This book is the best. I know some people might. It is a bit boring in between, and some people might think this is too or delusional or something. But delusion is the way out. There's no other way except for delusion. Delusion is only way out. So yeah, I will reduce the risk on this trade to $10. Do not feel comfortable risking more right now. So let's see. Surely not a nice rejection is actually make me think that it won't go up. If it's fine, totally fine if I lose this trade, because I saved myself some dollars in the morning. That was one of the best decisions. One of the best. I was about to lose $60 and I reduced it to $5. So that was the best thing, the best decision I took. So I don't care if I lose this, because I lost less. That's more important than making money. Losing lesser is way more important than making more. See, I can feel that market is consolidating right below that level. So you should know that they are not interested in going above it. They want to dump. So let it go. Let it dump. Let it move how it wants. Why try to fight against the market? Why take another entry over here? You don't need to take another entry. I should buy an SSD for this. I just bought only 256 GB storage, so it might fill up soon if I keep making these kind of videos. These kind of videos are needed. It'll help me improve a lot. And yeah, that's all. I have to go clip these videos, post some shots, post some videos. I don't know if I should go on Instagram. It feels too embarrassing. But let's see. I'm Chetan P again, a determined trader. And I know that my life, my journey will start off with trading, and then I'll go on to achieve other things also. My mind is in the right place as of now. Tough times are there, but I'll surely do it. So yeah, that's all. Others are getting everything they want in life, and I am still slowly stuck here from the past 2 years trying to chase trading and see no results. Blown accounts, so many accounts blown, not made a single rupee. I've lost over $1,200, more than $1,200, and I'm still going like a delusional dumb fuck. Let's see where it takes me. Delusion is the way out, I feel. Today, this recording might seem like a dumb decision, but could be the best thing I've ever done. Don't know. Because this is where I step into social media. My first ever time coming into social media, and this Insta account was just private. Only one follower, if you see, one follower, that is my friend who also does trading. So I haven't told about this to anyone, being quiet. Now, coming on to social media is going to be a tough thing, obviously, but it's going to be fun for sure. I will improve personally. I can feel it in my first ever recording. I can feel that I'm going to improve so much more. So yeah, let's see. Come on, man. I had to wait how long? I was waiting for about 1 hour 10 minutes for it just to come back, and it's just coming back 1 hour 10 minutes. So yeah, market didn't want to go up. It showed signs by closing below the support level. I should have got it. Yeah, it's totally fine, not an issue. That's all. That's all for now. I'll upload this video and I'll try to clip these videos. And yeah,